biscuits in the kitchen. I'm a sous chef on a mission. Baby, wiggle it, it's vicious. We about to break the dishes. Got the pepper with the sodium. We cooking with petroleum. Come step up to the podium and cut up this linoleum. Just move it. Move it. Sitting down is stupid. Now let me see you move it. Stupid. Now let me see you move it.
Mahal ko, finally, today is the day. Something we once dreamed of, but now it's real. After 11 years, we are standing side by side before God, ready to make a vow to love and to choose each other for heaven.
Alam kong hindi naging madali ang lahat, lalo na matagal tayong magkalayo. Ang pagiging LDR couple natin ay puno ng mga pagsubok, mga tampuhan, hindi pagkakaintindihan, at mga gabing pareho tayong lumuluha sa pangungulila. Pangako ko, mahal ko, na mamahalin kita sa lahat ng oras, sa saya at sa lungkot, sa tagumpay at sa kabiguan, sa kalusugan at sa karamdaman. Uunawain kita, pakikinggan kita, at patuloy kitang paglilingkuran. Hindi dahil sa obligasyon, mahal, kundi dahil mahal kita. Ng buong puso, mahal ko.
I was a stranger in the crowd. You were a star up in the clouds.
Mahal ko, I always choose this a gift to always remind us that time is precious for both of us, knowing that we're kind of LDR. Every second is important for both of us. Hope you will like it, mahal ko. I love you. See you in a bit. I'm excited to see you walking the aisle. Mama!
You showed me worlds I never knew. You turned my darkness into blue. Now I'm feeling
I vow to take care of you and to be your partner, your support and your home. And today I promise to spend the rest of my life being the same person you love since the first day we met.
you're magical. You steal the show, my heart aglow.
Ralph, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang magkaisang dibdib si Princess May na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Heart is here and stay.
Thank you for always making me feel like a princess. From carrying my things to preparing delicious food that fills my heart as well. You make everyday life feel like a blessing.
Ikaw ang biyayang pinagkaloob sa akin ng Panginoon. At habang buhay, ako'y magpapasalamat dahil ikaw ang kasama ko sa habang buhay kong paglalakbay.
No, I could write 1,000 stories of all the times I fell for you. No, I would brave the fiercest ocean to find my way back to you.
magpakailanman, ikaw ang tahanan ko. I love you, wifey. Ikaw ang mahal ko. Noon, ngayon, magpakailanman.
Whatever life brings, I'll be there, choosing you, loving you, and standing by your side forever and always. I love you, mahal ko, my hubby.